Hello, good morning, everybody. Good morning, my college, and good morning, my lecture served by you. Nowadays, I will present about discusses the case of reputation crisis caused by deepfake that rocked a multinational company in Southeast Asia in 2026. Our main focus in how AI technology strategic communication and ESG principles play a role in rebuilding trust. And the next is general background. The AI revolution creates opportunities for efficiency, but also risks of digital manipulation of or deepfakes. In 2026, a multinational company in Southeast Asia faced a reputation crisis due to a deepfake CEO video. This crisis reflects a new reality. The speed of misinformation exceeds the capacity of for clarification. A fake CEO video went viral in just 24 hours, causing systemic disruption to corporate communication and reputation. The challenge is decreased trust, coordination failures, and ESG vulnerabilities. The next slide. This is the significance of the research. The deepfake crisis marks a paradigm shift in reputation management from reactive to predictive. A humanistic and ESG-based, AI-based communication approach is needed. This research is crucial for understanding the relationship between digital trust, ESG ethics, and organizational resilience. So, this research is important because it shows that trust is no longer built solidly through public relation, but also through digital authenticity and technology integrity. And the next slide. This is the overview of research gap. For the first one is aspect, and the second one is previous findings, and the last one is the research gaps. Digital reputation crisis focus on conventional social media, minimal research on crisis caused by deepfake. Trust and ESG examined in the context of sustainability, not yet linking ESG to AI-based crisis communication. AI technology studies predominantly focus on technical detection, lack of exploration of AI human empathy integration. So the research gap rises because the majority of studies still focus on conventional crisis on social media without addressing the interaction between deepfakes, AI, and ESG credibility. In the context of cross-cultural communication in the Southeast Asia, novelty and excellencies. An integrative approach between the AI crisis response model and the ESG ethical framework. The first one is presenting a new concept, the AI-driven trust reconstruction framework. And the second is focusing on cross-platform coordination and the human dimension of digital trust. Yeah, so the novelty of this research lies in the integration of crisis communication theory, ESG governance, and AI technology into a single framework called the AI-driven trust reconstruction of the framework. Yeah. The next is risk and trust analysis. For the key risks is the first one, distortion of information flow. Is the difficulty distinguishing between genuine and the fake message. Yeah. And the second is disintegration of coordination, employees, suppliers, and investor lost direction. Then the third is crisis of trust. The public still doubt the credibility of corporate communication. The linkage is misinformation reinforces as ESG skepticism, and a weak ESG reputation worse public perception. The primary race is affects not only reputation but also internal trust and coordination. When message can be verified, the entire value chain is very disrupted. Weak ESG accelerates the erosion of trust. The next one is AI in crisis response. Strategy and tools. Automate deepfake detection or AI forensics. So the AI can help with rapid detection, chatbot for clarification, and sentiment analysis. However, AI alone is not enough. It takes a human touch of empathy to restore the trust. So the balance is AI, speed, and scalability, and the human is empathy and moral legitimacy. Yeah, the synergy of the two result in augmented and credibility. Yeah. The next is ESG and ethical responsibility. In the ESG context, ethical responsibility becomes a moral compass. By demonstrating transparency and accountability, companies demonstrate that they are not only profit oriented but also value oriented. Yeah. The transparency is open for public verification process for the digital content, and the accountability is show an audit trial of the CEO videos clarification. The fairness is to ensure the narrative doesn't discriminate against workers or local communities. Strong ESG reputation creates trust inertia. Trust persists despite crisis. Like that, yeah. And the next is a multi-platform narrative strategy. Overview. This is example for the social media narrative strategy. Yes. So the first one is TikTok and Instagram, and the short behind the truth. Behind the truth is the video with the CEO and independent verification team. The second is LinkedIn for the professional statement and white paper on AI ethics and ESG. This one is very formal, and I think this one is good for the next social media. I think, yeah. And the next is WhatsApp and local communities. For this one, the personal message from brands, leaders, and clarification video in local language. Yeah. And then communication strategies must be tailored across the platform. TikTok and Instagram emphasize emotional narrative, while LinkedIn and WhatsApp require a formal and localized approach to reach a different audience. Yeah, that's very makes sense, I think. This one is the long-term resilience framework. A long-term resilience framework is built through four layers. For the first one is detection, verification, communication, and the governance. This enables companies to have an adaptive and credible communication system. Yeah. For the first one is detection layer. We should automate detection and clarification system, and then the second one is independent audits must be collaboration with the regulator for minimize the mistake of the information. And the communication layer is for ethical and humanistic narratives to audience. And the last one is governance. This is very important too. AI governance and ESG must be integrated for this communication. And academic practical implication. Yeah, academic this research extends crisis communication theory with an AI technological dimension. Practically, it provides to concentrate guidance for the corporation in dealing with disinformation based on reputational threats. Yeah. The offering a new model in the literature of AI-based crisis communication is for practical. The first one is a strategic guide for multinational companies in addressing AI disinformation, and the second is shaping a trust and ESG-based corporate digital resilience blueprint. So this is the conclusion of the last one, my presentation. I think yeah, the conclusion is the deepfake are a test of digital integrity. Trust can only be restored through verified transparency. AI is not a substitute for the humans, but it is a reinforcement of a company moral legitimacy. Yeah. The deepfake crisis is not a technology issue, yeah, but a test of trust. So the companies need to shift from reactive to proactive and predictive, and the synergy of AI and ESG ethics in the foundation for long-term reputational resilience, and the trust is not restored by words but by verified uh, transparency. So that's all of my presentation, and thank you for watching my video too. And also, I will say thank you for this opportunity for the midterm test for AI ethics and driven resilience. Thank you of all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.